Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, December 31st, the last day of 2021. Whether that's good or bad, it is. We will be closing at 3 o'clock today, so just in a few hours. So if you wanted to have a project for tomorrow or for the weekend, you're going to want to get in here soon in order to get what you need for tomorrow. Now, today we have some new pre-cuts to share with you. The first one is called Urban Homestead, and we have this beautiful fat quarter bundle. Look at that, yummy, yummy. And a charm pack and a layer cake. So let me read you a little bit about this, and we can flip through this charm pack while I'm doing it. With its neutral palette, the woven stripes and plaids of Urban Homestead Gatherings mix traditional roots with a modern aesthetic. The brushed side of the fabric makes cozy quilts and projects suited to urban farmhouse style, while the non-brushed side fits contemporary home decor and accessories. This is by Primitive Gatherings for Moda, and it is brushed cotton, so it's not quite flannel, and maybe you can see it on this too. It's not quite flannel, but it does have a bit of a flannel feel on one side, and then the back side is going to be more of a woven solid. So you can use either side that you like. I really love that woven brush cotton feel, but you can see the back side of this versus the front side of this right here. Let me try to tip that up for you. And you can see a little bit of a difference there. So again, that is called Urban Homestead Gatherings, and we have 3 different styles of pre-cuts here. The next thing I want to share with you is called the Fruit Jar Table Runner Kit. And look at that cute packaging. It's actually a plastic box that is shaped like a fruit jar. Super fun. Can you see that? I don't want it to shine on you. The Fruit Jar Autumn Runner boxed kit includes pattern and fabric for the quilt top and binding. The fabric featured is Adel in Autumn by Sandy Gervais, and the pattern is also by Sandy Gervais of Pieces of My Heart. And this makes a table runner, and the table runner size is 32 inches by 56 inches. So a really fun, kind of late summer looking piece, but of course you could use it anytime on any table. So this would also make a terrific gift. If you look on the side there is seriously a lot of fabric in this kit. So I would guess Moda Fabrics in general really overstuffs their kits. And so I would guess that after the runner is made, you'll still have plenty of fabric in your plastic jar. And it's Fat Quarter Friday. It is Friday, and today's Fat Quarter Friday bundle is called Florals in Pink by Abbey. Abbey is one of our college students, and she has great color sets. So Abbey has chosen all these pretty pinks that you see here, along with this fun lime green to give it a little bit of a pop. And there's some more green on that piece right there. So she's calling this Floral and Pink, and there will be kits or bundles available at the front desk and online while supplies last. Every Friday we have a new bundle. Last Friday we didn't because it was Christmas Eve. So this is our first new Fat Quarter Friday bundle in a while. Hope you have a great evening. Be safe. Have fun celebrating or watching TV, which is what I'm going to be doing. And have a great New Year's Day. Don't forget that our UFO Club begins registering tomorrow, and that gives you 10% off on everything that you need to finish any unfinished projects that you have laying around, up to 10 projects per quilter. So if you need more information about that, I will link it in the description of today's video. And as always, we hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.